guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa mga video na i-upload ko sa aming YouTube channel.
Oo. Dun sa first group, wala tayong magiging problema because obviously, meron na pong listahan. Tama po ba, ASEC? Ang DSWD.
Tama po, meron tayo.
For the first
lahat
group.
naman po sila targeted. So may listahan talaga na basehan
Oo.
sa pagtukoy po sa kanila.
Okay. Paliwanag lang po natin yung second group. Kasi itong second group at saka third
Yung
group.
second group naman po, sila ay mahihirap din. Kabilang din yung 2.5 million households dun sa poor and may near poor po yan. No? Yung near poor, that's 25% above poverty threshold. So kung yung mga nakasama dito na mahihirap, ang kinikita ay nasa lower than 13,000 plus, no? Kasi that's our poverty threshold. Pero po, hindi sila kasama sa 4Ps. Hindi rin sila kasama sa walang gutom program. And then, sila pa yung mga sabi ko na near poor, they're above the poverty threshold, which is 13,000 plus nga, but we just got 25% of that population.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.